Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of online earning. We'll be delving into the subject of making money online in 2023 in this video, with a focus on how to make money from your passion. You've come to the perfect place if you want to use your passion to launch a successful internet business. We'll discuss tried and true tactics and doable measures that can help you succeed financially while pursuing your passions. Let's get going. For many people, making a living out of their passion is a dream come true. Imagine being able to get paid to do something you enjoy doing every day. You may build an internet business that fulfills you and is successful by integrating your profession and your passion. Finding your own passion and learning about its market potential are the first steps. The possibilities are unlimited when you combine your passion with the power of the internet. Your motivation, dedication, and creativity are all fueled by your passion. It's what makes you stand out from the crowd and enables you to offer a distinctive viewpoint to your chosen specialty. By earning money from your passion, you may also help others who have similar interests by sharing your skills, knowledge, and excitement. As a result, you can go on a happy and gratifying career where you can earn a living doing what you want. Building your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for drawing in your target market and solidifying your position as a thought leader in your area of expertise. Your online presence is similar to your online storefront, where customers may discover more about you and your products. Create a professional website or blog to display your expertise and represent your business. Pick a memorable domain name that fits your area of interest. Spend time producing informative and interesting content that appeals to your target audience. Through blog entries, films, podcasts, and social media content, you may share your expertise, perceptions, and experiences. Give them answers to their queries, solutions to their difficulties, and helpful counsel. To keep your audience interested and coming back for more, design a content plan and adhere to a regular posting schedule. Utilize social media channels that are relevant to your audience and interact with them frequently. Focus your efforts on the platforms where your target audience is most active. Create a community around your passion by taking part in debates, responding to inquiries, and offering insightful information. Use comments, direct messages, and live sessions to interact with your audience and establish a connection while also gaining their trust. Finding income streams. When monetizing your passion online, there are several different income streams you might investigate. Making and promoting digital goods like ebooks, online courses, or templates is one choice. You sell goods or services that interest you in exchange for a commission on each transaction. As an affiliate, you serve as a dependable source of recommendations and gain money anytime someone uses your special affiliate link to make a purchase. This enables you to make money from your passion by endorsing goods your audience would find useful, and in which you have a sincere belief. Producing and marketing digital products. When developing digital products, begin by pinpointing the precise issues or difficulties that your target market in your chosen area is facing. What information or abilities can you impart to help them overcome these difficulties? Create relevant and high-quality material that addresses these issues and offers practical solutions. Put your information into carefully thought-out ebooks, extensive online courses, or usable templates. Outline the material you want to cover and divide it into logical sections or modules to start. When creating the content, make sure it is educational, interesting, and simple to comprehend. To improve your client's learning experience, think about integrating examples, case studies, or hands-on activities. Create graphics and cover art that are aesthetically pleasing and capture the soul of your digital product. To develop captivating graphics that will draw potential clients, use expert design software or hire a graphic designer. Make sure your product is well formatted, with distinct headers, subheadings, and chapters for simple navigation. To make sure the writing is flawless and error-free, proofread and edit it. Once your digital product is prepared, choose the best distribution and sales channel. For ebooks, you can use well-known systems like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. For online courses, Udemy or Teachable, or you can use your own website with e-commerce plugins or platforms like Shopify. Determine a fair price for your product by taking into account its worth, market demand, and the cost of comparable goods in your niche. Leveraging affiliate marketing. By endorsing goods or services you firmly believe in, affiliate marketing is a potent way to monetize your passion. You receive a commission as an affiliate marketer for each purchase made using your special affiliate link. Join affiliate programs in your niche to get started, then choose products based on the wants and needs of your target market. Being honest and upfront is crucial when promoting affiliate items. Concentrate on items that you have really used or thoroughly studied before recommending. Write compelling and educational content that emphasizes the advantages of the goods you're advertising. To build rapport with your audience and demonstrate your honesty, share your own successes and personal experiences. To make unbiased suggestions, be truthful about the item's advantages and disadvantages. In your content, such as blog entries, product reviews, or social media captions, strategically incorporate your affiliate links. Use hashtags like #ad or #affiliate to openly disclose your affiliate partnerships, such as by including a disclaimer on your website. Keep an eye on how your affiliate links are performing and adjust your tactics in light of audience comments and conversion rates. Offering online coaching or consulting. By sharing your knowledge and assisting others in achieving their goals, you can have a direct impact on the lives of others by providing online coaching or consulting services. Find the exact areas of your passion where you can provide insightful advice and assistance. Choose the coaching or consulting format, such as private sessions, group courses, or workshops. Utilize your internet network and profile to promote your coaching or consulting services. Showcase the outcomes you've assisted others in achieving by sharing success tales or client testimonials. Use online groups, professional networking sites, or social media sites where your target audience is present. To provide value upfront and draw new clients, think about organizing webinars or providing free first sessions. Scaling your passion business. Growing your passion business to a larger audience and earning more money is an exciting time. As your online business expands, think about expanding your revenue sources by introducing new goods or services that enhance your current portfolio. If you have been selling ebooks, for instance, you can think about developing an online course or holding paid workshops. An effective method for growing your following and entering new markets is to collaborate with other influencers or companies in your area. Seek out chances to collaborate on content creation, hold joint webinars or events, or form affiliate relationships. By working together, you may take advantage of each other's networks, skills, and resources to reach a larger audience and promote growth for both parties. Keep in mind that creating a successful online business requires patience, perseverance, and effort. Be patient and persistent in your efforts, and don't let early failures or difficulties deter you. Maintain a connection with your audience, stay true to your passion, and continually adjust your strategy in response to their requirements and feedback. We appreciate you being here today. Give this video a thumbs and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more information and motivation on generating money online. Please share your ideas and experiences with us in the box below. In 2023 and beyond, here's to a successful journey of turning your passion into cash. See you in our next video.